In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the notification badges on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. So in case you have a notification, you should see this icon next to the application. Those are what we call the notification badges. Now, if you want to enable and disable these badges, all you have to do is go to settings and then scroll down and select notification and status bar, and then select badges. And then from here, you should see a list of all the applications that you have enabled or have been enabled notification badges for. Now, if you want to disable for specific applications, you can find the application that you'd like to disable and then tap on the toggle switch icon, and that will disable the notification badges. Now, if you like to enable it, simply scroll down and you should see this notification badges aren't allowed section, and then find the application that you'd like to enable notification badges for. So if it's the gallery, tap on the toggle switch icon and do the same for all the other applications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.